The future is now, exploring the cutting-edge technologies transforming our world. Computer vision, the future of robotics and beyond. What is computer vision? Computer vision is an exciting field of study that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand the visual world around us. This technology is used in a variety of applications, including robotics, autonomous vehicles, and even facial recognition software. By combining artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, computer vision is transforming the way we interact with technology in the world around us. Applications of computer vision in robotics. One of the most exciting applications of computer vision is in the field of robotics. By using computer vision algorithms, robots can navigate and interact with their environment in ways that were previously impossible. For example, robots can use computer vision to identify and pick up objects, navigate through complex environments, and even recognize and respond to human emotions. Real-world examples of computer vision in action. One real-world example of computer vision in action is the Amazon Go store. This store uses computer vision algorithms to track customers as they move through the store and automatically charge them for the items they pick up. Another example is autonomous vehicles, which use computer vision to identify and respond to obstacles on the road. Futuristic gadgets, augmented reality and genetic modification. Augmented reality, the future of gaming and beyond. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. This technology is being used in a variety of applications, including gaming, education, and even healthcare. With the rise of AR-enabled devices, such as smartphones and smart glasses, the potential applications of this technology are only increasing. Genetic modification, the future of medicine and agriculture. Genetic modification is a technology that allows scientists to modify the DNA of organisms, including plants, animals, and even humans. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach medicine and agriculture. For example, genetic modification could be used to create crops that are more resistant to pests and disease, or to develop new treatments for genetic diseases. The ethical implications of genetic modification. While genetic modification has the potential to bring about many benefits, it also raises important ethical questions. For example, should we use genetic modification to create designer babies with specific traits? Should we use this technology to modify the genes of animals for human benefit? These are complex questions that will require careful consideration as we move forward with this technology. Data storage, the rise of quantum computing and multi-factor authentication. Quantum computing, the future of data storage. Quantum computing is a technology that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations that are impossible for classical computers. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach data storage and processing. For example, quantum computers could be used to crack encryption codes that are currently unbreakable, or to simulate complex chemical reactions. Multi-factor authentication, the future of security. Multi-factor authentication is a security technology that requires users to provide multiple forms of identification before accessing sensitive data or systems. This technology is becoming increasingly important as cyber threats continue to evolve. By requiring multiple forms of identification, multi-factor authentication makes it much more difficult for hackers to gain access to sensitive information. Real-world examples of multi-factor authentication. One real-world example of multi-factor authentication is the use of biometric data, such as fingerprints or facial recognition, to unlock smartphones or other devices. Another example is the use of security tokens, which generate one-time passwords that are required to access sensitive data or systems. In conclusion, as we have seen, the future is full of exciting technologies that have the potential to transform the way we live and work. From computer vision and robotics to augmented reality and genetic modification, these technologies are already having a significant impact on our world. And as we continue to develop new technologies, such as quantum computing and multi-factor authentication, we can be sure that the future will be full of even more exciting possibilities. If you are looking for a reliable and secure data storage solution, be sure to check out FileLoo. With its large file transfer capabilities and multi-factor authentication, FileLoo is the perfect solution for anyone who needs to store and share sensitive data. So why wait? Sign up for File Loo today and start experiencing the future of data storage.